Okay, hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about managing files from the command line. In last session we talked about accessing the command line. Now we are going to talking about managing the command line. Managing files from the command line. Let's see how. I'm going to delete all these area, open area, new file, new file, and this on title. So it's okay if I copy all this, copy and Ctrl Shift V, enter. Yes, now I deleted those. Let's make a command rm something. Also deleted this. Let's go view and zoom in, again view, zoom in, again zoom in. Now you can see, I think, create a command mkdir, create a directory or folder, mkdir as well, something. Just entering this. Now if someone asks you to make a file name, make a file 1 to 100, will you do? It's too much time, it will take too much time. You have to create a folder like mkdir 1 to 100 ls. This dot in between 1 and 100 is known as brass expansion. Like if someone tell you, now I'm going to delete all this. I have to explain more. Less. If someone tell you to make a folder all in alphabetical letter A to Z, like A, B, C, will you make mkdir A, B, C, D, E? It's worse, but it's make too much time. So that's why we have to make A dot then Z. Let's see, mkdir A to Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all together. It include all together. And I already told you mkdir 1 comma 1 not comma dot 100, not only 100. If anyone told you 500, make a folder 1 to 500, what will you do? If anyone don't know, he will do already okay 1 2 3 all together. You are smart now, you can do 1 to 100 ls 1 2 3 4 5 6 all together. Clear? Now I am going to delete all this. I don't need so. Now it's task for you. Make a file name gcu1 gcu2 to 500. What will you do? You do same thing. Let's see something interesting and smart way. mkdir will go gcu, then 1 comma 1 not comma 500. What will do? gcu1 gcu2 gcu3 gcu4, all these we are making till 500. Now we want to group, we made 1 to 500 this folder gcu1 gcu2 gcu3, but we want to get we want GCU220. What will you do? Grep command. Let's see. Uh, ls grep 220. Let's see. It's not 220. I forget that. ls grep GCU 220. What will you? Let's see. Not I will forget that. ls clear control C, forget that. cd letter ls cd som is something, then grep 220. This you 220. Yeah, it's correct. cd something ls. I don't want all this. I want to delete everything at a time. ls. Okay then. What should we do? If we want command from A but we forget all this command, what will we do? Sorry, ls cannot be accessed. No command file from the directory. Oh shit, we are in something directory. Let's see here. ls A, no command, because we don't have any command. We don't make any folder, any directory. Let's go to the node office and writer. What we are making? mkdir 1.500 to make files till 500. Also 500 is also covered here. Then sorry for commands. These commands you have these commands mkdir. Then we go through that mkdir a.z. It will cover. So make not files. You can also folders. You can also make files altogether. Make folder folders till to a to z. Then mkdir this you 1 2 2000 200 make gcu 1 gcu 2 till gcu 200 and rm star to remove all in that particular direccto particular directory. Then let me check. We did whole nothing much.